I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. I live in Austin, Texas, and we have a lot of great beans in this state. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorites. It's a Tex-Mex version of pork and beans. So think pinto beans that have been braised and incorporated with a lot of spices and big chunks of carnitas, braised pork. They're absolutely fantastic, they're easy to make, and they're right here on Austin Eats.
I'm going to start by toasting the chilies in a hot skillet for a minute or two, turning them frequently. When they start to turn colors, they're done. Those are going to soak in water for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to cook up some bacon with onions, saute it until it's nice and soft. Then I'm going to brown some leftover carnitas. Time to make the sauce. So the chilies have been soaking. They're going to go in the blender with some onion and some garlic and a little bit of water and spices, and just whirl those around for about 3 full minutes. You want this as smooth as possible. My pinto beans have been soaking overnight. Now I'm going to add some peeled garlic cloves and some water and start cooking these. That'll take a few hours. I've transferred the pork to a Dutch oven and added my bacon and onion mixture. Beans are done. Those are going to go in with the cooking liquid. Give that a stir, and then it's time to add the chili sauce. Just pour it in and give that a good stir. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed. Then cover this and simmer it for about 30 minutes. After it's done simmering, add some salt and pepper, and you have Tex-Mex style pork and beans. This dish is delicious, and it's a great way to use up leftover carnitas. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Austin Eats.